Continuing with the discussion on mechanical guidelines, now it's important to speak about proper weight distribution and postural alignment. When we're talking about weight distribution, everything should be referenced in relation to the center of mass of the body. The center of mass is your geographical center point, and it's also the center of your body's weight distribution. So generally speaking, that's in the lower diaphragm area. If you find your navel, it's approximately 3 to 4 inches below your navel and about 2 to 3 inches deep. So that in the center of your abdomen is the area that is the center of your body. Now, we want to have the alignment of the body throughout kettlebell training, and in fact, throughout effective movement in general. You want to have the center of mass aligned vertically over your base of support. What is the base of support? Simply, it's the foundation that you're standing on. Now, the base of support will change according to your position. When I'm standing with 2 feet, the base of support is the area around and in between where the feet lie. If I'm standing on 1 foot, the base of support becomes much more narrow, but the center of mass still must reside vertically over that base of support. If I'm sitting on the ground, my hips become the base of support. If I'm standing on my head, the head becomes the base of support. So this principle never changes. Center of mass always stays aligned over the base of support. The important thing to keep in mind when we're talking about weight distribution and alignment is that we want to make sure that this center of your body stays vertically between the 2 feet, so that when you're moving, you're always staying stable and always staying balanced. Here's an example of incorrect weight distribution. If you allow your body to be pulled forward, now my base of support is in front of my, now my center of mass is in front of my base of support and I have no balance. The same is true if my base of support is in front of my center of mass. So if my center of mass is way behind me, then again, I lose balance and I have no stability. So it's very important to have an awareness of where your base of support is and how that relates to your center of mass at all times.